Hello everyone, I am Shekhar Thakur working as a chemistry teacher at Cambridge International School, Suva. Today we will discuss the set B of science that will come in the December examination. Let us start now. Today your question number 5, I will only tell about the chemistry questions. The first question is, what is the Latin name of potassium? And its name is kalium. Next is name element, that is polyatomic. Polyatomic, you can set nitrate, carbonate, sulfate, hydrogen carbonate, hydroxide. These all are the name of polyatomic. Write one application of simple distillation. It can be used to separate those liquid whose boiling point difference is more than 25 Kelvin. And for acetone and water, you can use it for the acetone and water. Next beta, give two examples of gel. Question number 8. The examples of gels are jelly, cheese and butter. Next beta, salt example. Milk of magnesia is the examples for salt. The atomic number of sulfur and chlorine, that is 16 and 17. But the mass numbers of both these elements is 34. If the mass number is same, as you know, they are the isobars. Okay, we can set it isobar. Next an element X, mass number 12, atomic number 6. What is the valency? In case of carbon, atomic number is 6. If you write the electronic configuration of carbon, that is 2,4. Okay, 2,4 is the valency of carbon. Then what is the valency? That is 4. Helium atom has 2 electrons in its valence shell. What is valency is not 2. Because in case of helium is a noble gas. The outermost electron will be fulfilled. If the electrons will be fulfilled, and it can only take 2 electrons, maximum of 2 electrons in the outermost shell, and it is filled with maximum electron. That's why they have a zero valency. Next is reasoning and assertion question. Question number 15. Assertion is, valency is the combining capacity of an element. That is the right definition. Valency is definition, right? Reason, the number of protons present in an atom is known as mass number. Is it right or wrong? The number of proton present in an atom is known as mass number. बेटा ये इसमें गलत है. Okay, number of protons, that is known as atomic number. Here A is right, A is correct, R is wrong. A is correct and R is wrong. A is correct and R is wrong. ठीक है, that is incorrect. Next is a mixtures of pentadecane and heptadecane. अगर हम लोग उनकी जो टेबल्स दिए हैं उनके बेस पे देखें, if the boiling points of pentadecane and the heptadecane, the difference between both the boiling points is more than 25 K. That's why we are taking simple distillation. When is a fractional distillation preferred over distillation? It will only preferred when their boiling difference of two liquid is less than 25 Kelvin. A mixtures of methanol and hexane can be separated by the fractional distillation because your boiling point is less than 25 K. Which of the following compounds are easiest to separate? And the answer is ethane and heptadecane. If you see their boiling difference, then you can easily understand. 18.5, give one application of simple distillation. It is used to separate out acetone and water. You are given a sample of water labeled as A and B. Sample A boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Sample B boils at 102 degrees Celsius. Which sample of water will not freeze at 0 degrees Celsius? अब देखो इसमें we are taking sample A and B. If the water will be pure, it will be freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and it will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, if it will be in pure form. Okay, now your question is, and sample B boils at 102. Sample B will not freeze at 0 degrees Celsius because they have some impurities at 1 atmospheric. The boiling point of your water is 100 degrees Celsius. It is not equal to the 102. So the freezing point of your water is 0 degrees Celsius. Can a solution be heterogeneous? No, beta. A solution cannot be a heterogeneous. A solution contains 60 gram of sodium chloride. Simple, you will add both these terms, 60 plus 400. Okay. In this way, you can calculate 60 gram of solute and 400 gram of solvent. Then you will add 60 plus 400, which is equal to 460. Okay. And after that, mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by the 100. Solve it, then you will get the answer, that is 13.4%. Question number 29. Write the chemical formula of magnesium nitrate, that is MgNO3 twice, calcium sulfide CaSO3, ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Question number 30. Calculate the molar mass of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. 2 into 1, 1 into 16 plus 4 into 16. You will write here 4 into 1 into 32. Okay. Now 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 plus 32. What is the result? That is 2 plus 32 plus 64, which is equal to the 98. Which is equal to 98. 2 plus 32 plus 64, which is equal to 98. And next one is water molecule, that is formula will be H2O, as you know, and 1 into 2 plus 1 into 16, which is equal to the 18 gram. And for the oxygen molecule, the formula will be, for oxygen molecule, the formula will be O2. And while calculating the molar mass of oxygen molecule, you will add 2 into 16, which is equal to 2 into 16, O2. 2 into 16, which is equal to 32 gram. Which is equal to the 32 gram. Next, question number 31. Chemical symbol of sodium is Na. Then what is the name? Latin name. Its name will be natrium. Sample A contains 1 gram molecule of sulfur molecule and sample B contains 1 mole of sulfur molecule. The ratio will be 1:1. This is the answer. And if the ratio of number of molecules in both the samples, okay, 1:1. Formula of carbonate of metal M is M2CO3. Then what is the formula of sulfate? अब यहाँ पे CO3 है तो SO4 लग जाएगा यहाँ पे, बाकी थोड़ा सेम रहेगा. 35A. Summarize the rules for writing the distribution of electrons in the Bezier shell for the first 18 elements. That's simple. The maximum number of electrons in a shell that can be calculated by the formula 2n square. Okay. And the number of electrons, that the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the shell, that is 8. And third one, you will fill it in a stepwise manner. Achha, question number B. What are the limitations of Thomson and Rutherford? The limitation of Rutherford first. It could not explain the stability of an atom. And for the Thomson model of an atom, you can write it cannot explain where the positive charge will reside. He said that the positive charge will lies inside the nucleus. But according to the other model, the positive charge will lies inside the nucleus. Next, if bromine atom is available in the form of isotope. चलो bromine. अब देखो bromine, I told you again here, bromine mass number is 79, mass number 79, multiply by its percentage plus second atomic mass multiply by second percentage divided by 100 and solve it and get the result. Composition of nuclei of two atomic species X and Y is given. Number of protons is 6, number of electrons also 6. In Y, number of electrons 6, number of neutrons 8. And give the mass numbers of X and Y. If you see 6 plus 8, their mass number will be, number of protons are same, but their mass numbers are different, so they are isotope. because according to the definition of isotope, if they have a same atomic number but different mass number, that are known as isotopes. And these are your questions. Thank you, beta. This is your answer key for set B for grade 9 science in chemistry. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much.